Hey, you just want to try and push it again? Hey, let's push it. Hey, everyone. Hey, everyone, push it. Don't matter. Don't matter. Push it. Hey, let's go. Hey, don't worry. Anyway, these are better without the pump. Hey, neutral. Hey, vente, salte y vamos. No lo pusiste en parking, ¿verdad, güey?
Like only one tire spinning, that's why. I see the other one though.
The other one was spinning, that one was just like kind of chilling.
You need to put stuff under the tire.
How did y'all see it? I guess it's cruising by.
Yeah.
What is
just saw the car in the bushes.
No. Hey, now he's doing
Hey, does it go forward?
Is RoyTheBoy a rat?
I'm a rat, bro. Yeah, he just asked me what's going on, so I was like, oh, I just saw a guy crash. I helped him.
They just pull up next to him. Flat ate shit in those bushes, though. Dude, they got the other fool in handcuffs too.
Bro, I bet that's the owner.
Oh.
We need to get closer.
No, no, I ain't getting closer. Yeah, dude, that fool's in handcuffs too. Shit, should we dip? State ref, motherfucker.
Guys, this kind of surprise video, but we were just getting out of the gym, and we heard some VQ action going on, so we knew someone's getting sideways. The parking lot up here at Lowe's there's always a lot of people drifting and stuff. So we came over here, and lo and behold, there's a guy crashed in the bush in his G35, and I didn't get it, but he was ripping his bumpers off to like try to get out of the bush because the thing was like parked on a bush. So he was like I don't know if it was the owner. It was two guys. There was one driving it, and the other guy who seemed really concerned was like ripping the bumper off and shit. And then like me and the gym buddy pull up, and we're like pushing it and shit, and they're like, help us. And then like they're trying to put stuff under. They put like the mats and stuff. But then we got it out because you know those leg day gains. But then he gets out, and then the cops show up, and now you could see that the cops they ran up. So they asked me, they're like, what's going on? And I was like, oh, I just pulled over to help this guy. He was in the bush. And he's like, all right, thanks. And he races over, and they go and they grab him and they put him in handcuffs. So we're just kind of chilling here. I parked the E36. What do you think about all that?
This shit's dope.
This is crazy. This is like, you never see this stuff in South Korea. I guess you do.
It's pretty fucking exciting.
Yeah. I thought it was just gonna be a normal Wednesday night. But yeah, now they're like questioning them and shit. He pulled the dude out in the handcuffs.
Probably dip.
Yeah, we should probably get out of here.